Alright, gearheads and grease monkeys. Ever dreamt of bringing a tired engine back to life? Well, grab your tools, because today, we're diving headfirst into DIY engine rebuilding. It's a challenge, sure, but trust me, the satisfaction of hearing that rebuilt motor roar is epic. Let's get started. First things first, the tools. You'll need a basic set, like sockets, wrenches, and screwdrivers, of course. But we're talking engine work here, so we'll need some specialized gear too. A torque wrench is a must. You don't want to guess how tight those bolts need to be. A good set of feeler gauges is essential for checking clearances. You'll also want a dial, bore gauge for measuring cylinder walls, and a micrometer for other precise measurements. Don't forget a good engine stand safety first. Next up, the teardown. This is where the fun begins. Take lots of pictures as you go. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. When it's time to put everything back together, label everything clearly. Zip-top bags and a good marker are your best friends here. Take your time, be methodical, and don't force anything. If something doesn't want to budge, figure out why before you break it. Now, let's talk tolerances. This is where things get technical, but don't sweat it. Tolerances are basically the acceptable range of measurements for your engine parts. Your engine service manual will be your Bible here. It tells you everything from bearing clearances to piston ring gaps. Use your measuring tools to check everything. If something's out of spec, it's time for a replacement. Cleaning is next. Seriously, clean everything. Degreaser, a parts washer, and a lot of elbow grease are your best friends. You want every single part spotless before you reassemble. Any grit or grime can cause serious problems. Get those surfaces clean, and prepare for the build. Time for the rebuild. Start with the bottom end. Install the crankshaft, bearings, and pistons. Make sure everything spins freely. Then, move on to the cylinder head. Replace the valves, springs, and seals. Double-check all clearances. Make sure everything is torqued to spec. This is where your pictures and labels come in handy. Before you put the engine back in your vehicle, make sure to prime the oil system. Fill the engine with oil and spin the oil pump to get the oil flowing to all of the critical parts. Once you've done that, you can finally install the engine. Connect all the wires, hoses, and belts, then fill it with coolant. Start it up, and cross your fingers. If you did everything right, you should have a smooth running engine. There might be a few leaks, but don't worry. That is completely normal. Congratulations, you've rebuilt an engine. Engine rebuilding is a journey. It's challenging, but it's rewarding. So, grab your tools, take your time, and enjoy the process. You got this.